Hello everyone, I am Madhumita from Dr. S.N.S. Rajashmi College of Arts and Sciences. Today I am going to discuss a topic on data mining. Data mining is the process of extracting and discovering patterns in large datasets involving methods at the intersection of machine learning, statistics and database systems. Data mining is an interdisciplinary subfield of computer science and statistics with an overall goal of extracting information from a dataset and transferring the information into a compressible structure for further use. Data mining is the analysis step of knowledge discovery database process. Aside from the raw analysis step, it also involves database and data management aspects, data pre-processing, model and inference consideration, interestingness, matrices, complexity consideration, post processing of discovered structures, visualization and online updating. The term data mining is a misnomer because the goal is extraction of patterns and knowledge from large amounts of data, not the extraction of data itself. It is also a buzzword and it's frequently applied to any form of large-scale data or information processing as well as any application of computer decision support system including artificial intelligence and business intelligence. The book Data Mining Practical Machine Learning Tools and Techniques with Java was originally to be named as Practical Machine Learning, and the term data mining was only added for marketing reasons. Often the more general terms data analysis and analytics are when referring to actual methods. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are more appropriate. The actual data mining task is the semi-automatic or automatic analysis of large quantities of data to extract previous unknown interesting patterns such as groups of data records, unusual records and dependencies. Mining sequential pattern mining. This usually involves using database techniques such as spatial indices. These patterns can then be seen as a kind of summary of the input data and may be used in further analysis or, for example, in machine learning and predictive analytics. For example, the data mining step might be identified multiple groups in the data which can be then used to obtain more accurate prediction results by a decision support system. Neither the data collection, data preparation or nor resulting interpretation or reporting is part of the data mining step, although they do belong to overall KDD process as an additional step. The difference between data analysis and data mining is that data analysis is used to test models and hypotheses on the dataset, analyzing the effectiveness of marketing campaigning regardless of the amount of data. In contrast, data mining uses machine learning and statistic models to uncover clandestine or hidden patterns in a large volume of data. The related terms and regarding data finishing and data snooping refer to the use of data mining methods to sample parts of a larger population datasets that are too small for reliable statistics inference to be made about the validity of any patterns discovered. These methods can, however, be used in creating new hypotheses to test against the larger data populations. Thank you.